An amateur video uploaded on a social media website purports to show continued violence in several parts of Syria. In what is said to be rural Damascus, the footage appears to show a government fighter jet flying overhead and dropping a bomb. In the same area, video footage shows men attempting to put out the flames of a building, apparently bombarded by government forces. Heavy smoke is seen rising above a town after what is said to be the second Syrian forces' airstrike on the area. The footage, which we cannot independently verify, then purports to show 3 Syrian army fighters loading a rocket launcher and firing towards what is said to be Assad regime soldiers.